Hey guys, it's Andrea, and today I am coming at you with my Christmas storage. I did one of these for Halloween and I figured I would do one for Christmas as well. I currently have this inside of a large Simply Gilded album, but I did purchase the white with the candy cane stripe, which I just felt like was so perfect for Christmas. And yeah, so I have that on the way and I'm going to be switching everything into there, and then I'll save this for another category. I do also have some other items in albums like this, so let me know in the comments down below if you want to see videos on those. I have my is it three? Yeah, no, my two top favorite specialty foils. I could do those in one video of those I have in their own albums, and then I also have an album of random foils. So I have a lot of organization to go through with you guys, but let me know if you want to see those two, because those are kind of a little bit random. So this is all of my Christmas stickers. I do have winter items, but those are in my seasonal binder, which I will show you guys soon. I did just put the little thank you card that I did send out for I think 2 or 3 weeks. We had this and it had extra stickers and stuff, but I thought it honestly fits perfect in here. It's a little bit narrow. I had these sized for our cellos, but yeah, I think it fits really good in there. And then I decided for this one, because I feel like Christmas, there's so many categories. Like Halloween, I did, basic Halloween stickers. Then I did costumes. I did Disney versus non-Disney. I did activities, and that was pretty much it. I feel like with Christmas there would be so many subcategories, so I went ahead and organized this by shop. I actually haven't purchased many Christmas stickers this year, but I'm sure I will be purchasing more soon. I really want to use up a bunch this year. I did use a lot of Halloween stickers on the tail end of Halloween. So the first pocket is Once More with Love, and then the second pocket is Stick with the Plan Co. And I love Stick with the Plan Co. holiday and seasonal stickers. There are so dang many. I don't know if, I'm pretty sure they re-released these, but there's just a ton, and they have a lot of options, so I would definitely check them out. The next one here is Toffee Bananas, which is now Papershire. I think Papershire released some Christmas stickers. Maybe not. I don't remember. Maybe. I don't know. But these are all old ones, so they are all massive. They recently have rebranded to Papershire instead of Toffee Bananas, and now all of their stickers are of a normal small size. These I got, I think, actually in March. These are from Teddy Plans Co. And I did pick up some of the, I guess it says holiday stuff on it. It's cute. Some of the holiday sheets, and they had them in red as well as a pastel, so classic and pastel pink. So I picked up those because I thought they were really, really cute. And then I have 3 sheets from Grin and Bear It. And I love these. I love how minimal they are. I obviously use a lot of that sheet already. Then I have stickers from Paper Muse Crafts, which I just got in. You're actually going to see this video before I haul them, and I just think they are so sweet, so beautiful. Paper Muse Crafts is one of my favorite character sticker shops. I just think they're adorable. I have a couple of sheets from S'more Crafter, which I actually do use them quite a bit in the holiday times. And then I have 2 sheets from Fox and Pip, and again, those are nice for pink spreads. I have a couple of sheets here from Joy of Planning that are kind of samplers. Then I have 2 sheets from Paper and Milk, 1 sheet from Happy Day, because I love these Grinch stickers. I just feel like they come in handy for any spreads that have green, or if you're in a mood during Christmas time. 1 sheet from A Lovely Christmas, which is just little gingerbread men. 1 sheet from The Sticker Party, which is so cute. I love all of these holiday goodies. And then I also have a couple of sheets from Wonton and a Million. So I have I guess this is Hansel and Gretel, but I put it with Christmas because of the colors. You're a Mean Bun, so it's the Grinch, and then the Nutcracker. Then I have it kind of separated by the, I don't know, what are these called? Rivets? This is my bucket list area, so I have my Festive AF stickers from Letters to Apollo. I didn't haul these yet. But when I do, I mentioned that I feel like they could go for any festive time, not just Christmas. a Adorably Amy Designs bucket list, our bucket list, and the Randy.plans bucket list. So all my bucket lists are in the beginning. And then I have Christmas movie bucket list, which I have more coming. I have Christmas countdowns, one from Randy.plans and one from Letters to Apollo. Then there's also a boatload, which I should probably find a way because I have a spot here to separate these into like maybe, sorry if you hear Bennett, some kind of category. He's really loving life down there. Some kind of category as far as like these quote boxes go. I might separate them into gold and silver and then like hollow and sparkly hollow on the other side. I have just a little deco sheet because I don't have a lot of Christmas deco. Then I have a bunch of headers, which these are my favorite like deco bit headers. These ho 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 and fa la 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 from Sadie's Stickers. I feel like Alicia does bring back like stuff from the like $2 Tuesday selection, so definitely follow her. And then I have some more decorative headers on the back. I have some cute little deco kind of pieces, and then back here I do have, these are technically would be more winter because they have snow, but I just threw them in here because I will likely use them during the holiday time. And then I did also pick up these full boxes and then the bottom washi that matches. And then in the back here I do have a bunch of Plannahannah overlays of many varieties. They are super, super cute. And then I also have some Simply Watercolor Co. Like magical icons. And then some of these present boxes from Sadie Stickers. And I kept these together because they go with the headers, the full boxes, and then you have decorative, what are these called? Decorative 15mm overlays there. So it's kind of like stickers, foil, and then I kind of try and put them in, like these I put in most to least for the most part, unless I move some stuff around. And then from here I'm going to use like, I have like scripts, which I probably will pull from many spreads, full boxes, and decorative items back here, because what I like to do is what I'll be doing after I finish this video is I'm going to go through all of my Christmas spreads, and I can literally just take out my full boxes and like go through each kit, and I like say, okay, Mary, all right, Mary, let's see, let's find some cool boxes for Mary, and then I'll put that with Mary and then call it a day and go through all of the things and be like, what do I want to use with each spread so that I can remember that I have them. Otherwise, sometimes I'll go a whole season and not use any of my like holiday quote box overlays just because I forgot that I had them whenever I was putting down my base. And sometimes I'll actually go back and add them depending on how I'm feeling. So that is a really quick video of my Christmas album, and I'm really excited to get my Simply Gilded one. I will leave the album, if it's still available, link down below, and it does come with like a little bow, which I think would be really cute down here actually, but I don't really know how practical that would be because I store this on like a cart, but it would be really, really cute. So that is everything for my Christmas storage. I hope that you guys like this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next one.